Okay, so what I will be showing you again, these are the given values, no? If you can see that one, this is kumbaga your height daw from a class of students, and then there are 30 entries. We'll be finding the usual na descriptive statistics kadtong measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion o kung sa sila katag. You can still remember that one? Okay, so mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, range, maximum value, minimum value. These same values are actually coming from Excel. So, mao ni siya. You can see that one. Klaro ra? Okay. Mano-mano ta. First. Okay, mano-mano ta first. Ito nga ni padon sa siguro. How are we going to get the mean? Let me show this one better by adding borders. Ana siguro. So, morning nga numbers ha. So, saan na to pagkuha ang mean? We add all values and then i-divide na to siya by the number of entries, the number of observations. Okay? So, how do we do that? Sa Excel, pwede na to ni manually i-add. Okay? So, pwede na tag equals sum, then i-open na to parenthesis. Okay? Then, i-highlight na to ni. Pwede na kanitanan. Matik ni siya. I-close na to. Pwede na po din na to i-close. Enter. That's the sum. Sum ni siya. Kubutangan dali ha. Sum na ha. Nakakuha mo na ang number? Did you get that one? Yes. You did. Now, para sa mean, that's the sum divided by how many observations. In this case, 30. Oh, so, equal lang nagyapon na siya. Equal. Okay? The sum divided by 30. Okay? Enter. Your mean should be 149.63 centimeters. Okay? But, we have a mathematic na. Okay? That's the manual. But if I would like to show you equals, okay, average, hit tab, equals average ang formula, then you select ug asa. So, holding the shift key, down arrow ko, then left arrow, okay, enter, 149.6. Nanang mean na to. Diba? Diba? No, matik no. Karon, standard deviation. We need to subtract the mean from the all excess. Okay? You following? So, diri lang ako ibutang. Equals kani. Diba? Minus the mean. Okay? Then, enter. This is the deviation. Deviation pa niya, deviation. This is not yet the standard deviation. It's the deviation. Are you following? Okay. Now, para akong i-edit ang formula, that's G1 minus G10. Now, I will be dragging the formula. So, gusto na ako i-fix ang reference. So, di na ako ipamove ning G10. So, magbutang ko diha og $sign, meaning dili mo change ang column. Butangan po na ko og $sign, meaning dili mo change ang row. Okay? Enter. As is na siya. So, inig-drag na ko padong dinhi. Kaning primero, ang G1, mo change siya to H1, I1, J1, K1. Pero ang G1, ang G10, dili na. Naka-fix na siya. So, i-drag na ko, ano lang. Okay? Mano-mano pa niya. So, if you try to look at the formula, this one, makikita niyo dire, readable ba na? That's G1 minus G10. Again, I'm using the $sign to fix the references, meaning it will not move. Next row is H1 G10 gyapon. Kung wala to nako butangi og $sign, mahimo na ni siya og H10. Ako lang siyang i-fix. Now, i-highlight na to. How many man ni? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Highlight na to. I-drag po na to siya kalima. 2, 3, 4, 5. Matik na po siya tanan. Okay? These are the deviations pa ni. Deviations pa ni siya. Okay? Are you following? Unsa tong formula nga nasayop na kanya? I-add natin square sa i-square sa nato. Okay? So, in-square na to, kabalo na mag-Excel or karon pa makita ani uban. Kalimot na. I-square na to tanan values. Okay? So, equal sign na pug ka. This one. Okay? Katong arrow nga padung sa babaw. Ana. Raised to the power 2. Enter. Mao na siya. Ako ra nang i-drag gihapon. Diha. Naka-square na ni siya tanan. Okay? Kalima na pod kay uno man ni siya ka rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Naka-square na sila tanan. Unsay sunod buhaton based on the formula? Pautan na inyong tapad. Kung sa'y sunod, kay salig kayo mo sa inyong tapad. Sure? Pautan na ako sa ime. Kasi, kabalo. Kamo, diha, pautan na inyong tapad. Kung sa'y sakto. Kung sa'y, di na mo tingog. Okay? Okay na so far ha. So, kini, these are, again ha, the individual deviations. Diri sa ubos are the squares of each deviation. Then, based on the formula, we will be adding everything. Okay? Goods? So, i-add na to. Butang na to, dire. Equals sum. Open. I-ditso na to ni. Highlight na to. Tanan. Iyara ni siyang i-add. Tanan. Then, that's the sum. Then, i-divide na to og 29. So, equals that divided by 30 minus 1 or 29. There. Ana. Okay? Dayon, kuhaan na to og dili na to kuhaan og square root. This is actually already our variance. That's our variance. Let's see sa babaw. Variance. Variance. Equals variance. Variance. Var P. Kini. Estimates the variance based on the sample. Ana. Okay? Asaman kani sila tanan. Okay? 130.4. Mas matik. Pila ito answer dire? 130.37. Okay? You following? Variance 130.4. Gets? Again. Okay? This is our array or data set. 30 entries. Kabalo na mo yun sa pagkuha sa mean. Okay. Variance na to, of which we were able to get it dire manually. Okay? Mauni. Okay pa ta so far? Then here, matic equals var, then down arrow key to select var.s or the variance of the sample. Then I click tab. Then I move the arrow key pa left, up, hold the shift key, up, then left pa yun. Pwede na ako i-enclose o close parenthesis, pwede na pong dili. I can just hit enter. So that's the variance. Matic. Okay? See? It's good to save this on YouTube, di ba? Para balikan yung tanaw later on. No, kaysa mamutana mo sa inyong tapat ng saon yun sa ganito. Di ba? Does it make sense? There is a reason for everything. I may not be the smartest person here, but my tricks, di ba, are the smart way. Diba? Maro-maro ba? Dugay na kay Miss Duyan na niya. Ilaron kami ninyo. So to, dugay na sa kalihukan, no? Di ba? Ilaron rin gyapon mo gulay. Masak. Anga, oy. Okay na sa variance. Now, unsa tong STDev, standard deviation? It's the square root of the variance. So, equals this one. Wala may square root sa Excel, raised to the power of 1/2 or 0.5. Gets? Okay, wala square root sa Excel, but you can raise it to the power 1/2. You know what that means, right? Okay, enter. So, ang atong standard deviation is 11.41 or 42. Gets? Let's see here. Standard deviation is equal to stdev.s tab stdev.s. Then we select the numbers, holding the shift key down, shift key padong left, then enter. 11.4. Pila dire? 11.4. 11.4. Isn't it lovely? Diba? Yung mga tana pagin mo sa inyong tapad. Ngayon yung maestro, kinamastiran pa. Nagbubuhat sa sariling bangko. Bitaw. We've been here a long time. Please trust yourselves. Okay? Mode. How are we going to do the mode? Or how are we going to get the mode? Okay? Mode is most frequently occurring. Manually to do that, ato ra nang ihap-ihapon, pangitanon og asay pinaka-common. Okay? But di na lang ako buhaton, kapoy naman. Okay? Ato na lang idiretso. Equals mode. Yara. Okay? Then tab. Then we select all the numbers or all the values. Then enter. 158. Pilay niyo ang mode. Ha? Di ato chikan ko itong uban po. Mano-mano, no ganan ninyo. Salig ka mo sa inyong galingon. Ngayon yung gibuhat. Ha? Pila ka po kinyo ha? Di ba, kung ano itong average, divided by 5, divided by 6. I was just kidding. Yan na, sunod. Median. Median, isort ra na to, okay? Now, naapoy paagi pag-sort og numbers diri sa Excel. Okay? I can show it to you. Ako saning kopyahon. Pero mas maayo og naka-column ni siya tanan. Are you following? Okay. I will just copy that one. We go down here. Sige, dire lang sa ubos. Paste na ko. Then, ako ning wait. Butang na itong column. Sundan. Key Control C, Control X, cut. O niya, Control V, paste. Okay? Okay? Nana. Muna niya ito ang numbers. If I may highlight that one. Kutob diri. So, highlighted na siya. Then, you go to data. Okay? Then sort. Sort. Column G siya. Smallest to largest. Sort na to. Okay. Gikan. This becomes your minimum. 131. This becomes your maximum. See? Diba? So, ingnan na is mama, palitin ko laptop ma. Kaya ako installan ng Excel. Adto ta sa greenware, malit laptop ma. Nakan ito skina. Tagahan na mo o contact number ni Mrs. Okay? So, kamala na mo, asay tunga-tunga diha, pila? 147. Pero, basta, kabalo na mo sort pod. Then, I'll just hit this one, equals median. Namigawas median. Tab, again, select this. Okay, enter. 148. Okay? Okay, are you following? Nakasabot. Do you still trust your seatmates? Yes. Do you trust your seatmates more than you trust yourselves? Okay? Max. Napatay paagipot sa max. Equals. Okay? Just type max. Okay? Open parenthesis. Then choose the numbers. Highlight na nahan. Naka-shift lang ko. Enter. Max 170. Isn't it exciting? Isn't it neat? Minimum. Saan mo na to ang minimum? Equals. Min. Open parenthesis. Then highlight that one. Highlight that one. Okay pa mo? Still with me? Okay na tayo. Enter. 131 minimum. Range. Wala ko kakita og formula sa range, but you can just subtract the minimum from the maximum. So, equals max minus minimum equals 39. Okay? So there's an easy way using computers. Mo ganun yung computer. Pero it's important that you understand what you are doing. Okay? Gets? People? So mo ni answers na to. Sige. Atong butangan og scores. Okay? Range. 1 point lang ng range. Variance. 5 points ng variance. Kitugay na kuhaon. Wala answer. Number of points, range 1. Variance, 5 points. Minimum, 1 point. Maximum, 1 point. Median, 1 point. O daghan mong median, 1 point na natanan. Okay? Mode, 1 point. Standard deviation, 5 points. One way, divide good ninyo. Pila ka book ninyo, pila ka book modal values. Mean is pwede na siguro tagaanta mong chance pila ka buok mode tanan. Sige tagaanta mong 6 usa ka daw usa. Mean 5. 5 ang mean.
So kung pila ray nakuha points.
Yes. Okay? It's easy. So I think that's just for now sa akong recording no. I'll be uploading this one. Sending you a copy of it para matanaw ninyo. Hold on.